and 79. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as far. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Person County, Orange County, Northwestern Durham County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Yanceyville to Jericho to Pleasant Garden, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chapel Hill, Roxboro, Hillsborough, Carrboro, Mebane, Rougemont, Concord, Carr, Efland, and Eno River State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 163 and 170. Interstate 40 between mile markers 156 and 162, and between mile markers 259 and 269. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Orange in person,